Okay mga kaibigan, Silver Voice TV. Courtesy of Inquirer.net, sabi po dito, Liza Marcos admits snubbing Sara Duterte. Bad shot na yan sa akin. Ika ni First Lady Liza Marcos. Panoorin po natin ito. Courtesy of Inquirer.net. Let's go.
First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos admits snubbing Vice President Sara Duterte following her attendance at the controversial prayer rally where President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. was called a drug addict. During the prayer rally organized by Duterte's family in January, the Vice President's father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, called incumbent President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. bangag, a slang term for a drug user. In an interview on Tune In kay Tunying, the First Lady says she felt hurt on her husband's behalf when
Which is normal, no? As a wife of course, our President, Bongbong Marcos, tawagin ba namang bangag at drug addict ang atin po Presidente at asawa po ni First Lady Liza Marcos? Of course, masasaktan ka, di ba? At mas maganda na yun kaysa naman makipagplastikan at magpaka-epokrito, no? Acting like nothing happened at okay pa sila. Mas maganda na po na maging honest, ano ho?
President Duterte was reportedly seen laughing following former President Duterte's remarks. The First
Well,
Lady...
kung totoo po yun, na natawa si Sara Duterte nung sinabihang drug addict or bangagang presidente, I think it's inappropriate. Totally inappropriate, mga kaibigan. Ito po ang sabi ni First Lady Liza Marcos.
Quotes the President and Vice President's strong relationship during...
Basahin muna natin. Sabi po ni First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, sabi niya, "My husband will do everything to protect you." O, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo, gagawin lahat ni BBM ang lahat para maprotektahan ka, VP Sara. You ran together, di ba? Sama-sama tayo babangon muli. Pupunta ka sa rally, tatawagin yung presidente mong bangag, di ba? Tama ba yan? Even Lenny never did that. Okay. So kudos po kay Lenny kasi syempre alam naman natin nung eleksyon, kalaban po nila si Lenny Robredo. Pero si Lenny po, hindi ginawa ni Lenny yun. Kudos sa isang kagaya ni Lenny Robredo na hindi po nag-stoop down ng ganun kababa. Hindi ho ba? So, pagpatuloy po natin.
2022 elections, but she questions Vice President Duterte's behavior when her father called President Marcos a drug addict. The First Lady adds that even former Vice President Lenny Robredo, who has strained ties with President Marcos, didn't do such thing. According to the First Lady, she was always kind to Vice President Duterte. She also adds that President Marcos would do everything to protect Vice President Duterte.
As a person na ine-expect mo na i-reciprocate yung kabaitan mo, maganda pakikitungo mo. Yun po sabi ni First Lady, mabait naman siya, pinakitunguhan niya na maganda si VP Sara. Ngayon, diba, kahit hindi naman siguro, hindi naman sa nagde-demand, pero nag-expect si First Lady ng, diba, ng paggalang din, galing sa kanilang kampo, diba? So, yun, mga nakaka-disappoint diba? Atake sila ng atake sa presidente ng Pilipinas. Pero ni isang beses ba, may nakita at narinig kayo na sinabing pabalang o sinabing na bastos si Presidente Marcos sa pamilya Duterte? Wala naman, di ba? So yun lang, atake ng atake yung itong mga nasa kampo ng Duterte. Gayong kabutihan at paggalang pa din at professionalism pa rin ang sagot ng administrasyon.
Speculations of the First Lady snubbing Vice President Duterte circulated after footage from President Marcos's departure ceremony to Vietnam in January showed the two women seemingly avoiding each other. During the interview, the First Lady also recounts instances where she admittedly snubbed the Vice President. Asked if there's any hope of reconciliation between her and Vice President Duterte, the First Lady says the Vice President is already in her bad graces. The Inquirer reached out to the office of the Vice President to seek her comment on the First Lady's remarks in the interview, but she has yet to respond.
Okay. Well, again mga kaibigan, pretty much understandable for a wife to defend her husband, mga kaibigan. So, sa parte naman ng mga Duterte, ako, honest observation lang. Ang dami yung patutsada dito kay Presidente Bongbong Marcos, sa kanyang pinsan, si House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Ang daming kapatutsada. Wala namang sinasabing masama sa inyo yung administrasyon. Si House Speaker, wala namang sinasabing masama sa inyo. Di ba? Huwag po natin pakita kung ano yung level talaga natin o yung tunay natin pagkatao naman. Somehow, magteka tayo ng professionalism. Mga lingkod bayan po tayo Hindi ho ba? So, yun lamang mga kaibigan. I don't think may dapat pang ipaliwanag dito ang pamilya Marcos o si First Lady kasi natural lamang naman yun. Nabastos po ang kanyang mister Diba? Nasabihan ng bangag drug addict daw. That's very inappropriate to tell that to a president. Konting respeto naman. Silver Voice TV, magandang gabi.